Now, you can, of course, keep up to date with those events unfolding in Gaza by logging on to Al Jazeera's website. There it is there, aljazeera.net/English. Now, you'll find a lot of information on there. We've got profiles of Hamas, we've got a war diary, maps, video, audio slideshow, and much, much more. And importantly, we also want you to contribute too. If you have a view, if you're in Gaza, if you're in Israel, we want to hear your thoughts. Visit the site, click on the link, and get involved. Now, to tell you more about how to make the most of our website, we have Riyadh Minty from Al Jazeera New Media. Thank you for joining us. I mean, we've got some new features on the website. How does this help people understand what's going on in Gaza?
Well, the new features are very exciting for us. They're currently under trial, and it takes a visual representation of all the events as they unfold plotted onto a map. That allows us to visually track all the events. So if you log onto our website and you click on Tracking Gaza, you'll see the map pop up with all the different events. It all then goes out into various categories.
It's pretty technical stuff, isn't it?
It is. So on the screen now you can see the various categories that have come up. As we receive data, which is currently from our correspondents, as we are the only international organization with people in Gaza, it gets filtered. So you click on deaths, for example, and you can then get a list of all the deaths chronologically from the beginning of the war. So it gives you a good idea and scale of how things have progressed from day one, December 27th, up until now. We're obviously attempting to keep this up to date as we go along.
I was going to say, one of the difficulties covering an event like this, apart from trying to get information out of Gaza, is that things are changing on the ground all the time.
Exactly. And because things are changing so quickly, one of the systems we've actually set up is to allow people from the ground to report to us. So we've set up tools so people can send us text messages from within Palestine or Israel or anywhere else in the world to send through all of the various data. The numbers should come.
Quite harrowing accounts, I would imagine. Yeah.
It is. And as I said, as the data comes in, we can obviously get a good feel of what's happening on the ground. People just send a text message, and in 140 characters, there's only so much you can say. So we're going to try our best to see what we can do with the data. It's a big learning curve for us. We're not sure what type of information we'll get out because we've been told that the networks within Gaza are actually going down, the mobile networks. But we'll try our best to keep the maps updated from our correspondents, and with whatever data is coming in, people can obviously log on to our website to track all the information.
And so that's aljazeera.net/English.
Yep.
Riyadh, thank you very much indeed for that. So obviously, for all the information that you need, log on to the website, keep up to date with all the developments. We will, of course, be continuing our extensive coverage of the war on Gaza.